Hello, this is Crypto Street. Welcome to subscribe my channel. I am Violet. Today is the 10th of August, 2022. This video we will talk about Bitcoin hits 100,000. Bloomberg analyst says it is only a matter of time before Bitcoin hits $100,000. Bloomberg's senior commodity strategist is convinced that Bitcoin can still trade at $100,000. He also predicts a further drop in global oil prices. The drop in oil prices, an indicator of global deflationary trends, would cause the U.S. Fed to stop hiking rates. A recent survey by New York's Federal Reserve Bank revealed a significant drop in inflation expectations across the U.S. Nevertheless, Mick Malone believes that these macroeconomic factors could increase the price of gold. Hence, he predicts that the gold price will hit $2,000 soon. Thus, Bitcoin would switch to become the high beta version of the yellow metal and treasury bonds. Mick Malone's previous prediction that Bitcoin would trade at $100,000 by the end of last year didn't come to pass despite insisting on it last year. As of June 2022, the price of the leading digital asset was $17,600, yet the Bloomberg analyst insists that Bitcoin would still trade at $100,000. However, he didn't give a specific timeline for when that would happen, saying it is a matter of time. The extremely strong jobs report from last week, which was highly surprising to many, would encourage the U.S. Fed to lower rates aggressively. In June, Mick Malone stated that an emboldened Fed would be the most significant determinant of the upward or downward bias for Bitcoin and the broader crypto market. Bitcoin currently trades at $23,788, but it is still 65.41% off its all-time high and about 317% off from reaching Mick Malone's $100,000 prediction. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.